Installing Superflow with Drupal is super easy. First, go to the Superflow onboarding flow. Here, we'll be asked to enter the URL where we will be deploying our Drupal site with Superflow installed. Let's head over to our Drupal site and let's copy in that URL. So now let's paste in that URL, and we'll also be adding an additional staging URL for localhost. Now, we'll be choosing the platform to install Superflow on. So we'll scroll down and click on Other, and then we'll hit Next. We will now be given this code snippet that we'll be pasting into our Drupal site. So let's copy this code snippet and then click Yes, I've saved. So now heading over to our Drupal site, we're going to click on Manage in the top corner and then click on Structure. After that, we're going to click on Block Layout. We're now going to scroll all the way down until we see footer bottom. We're going to click on Place Block. Then we're going to click on Add Content Block. We're going to give this block a name. Let's call it Superflow Footer. And then we're going to switch the text format into full HTML. And then we're going to switch this to source code mode because we're pasting in a code snippet. Now we're going to scroll down and click Save. We'll then be asked a couple of more things. So we're going to uncheck the display title, and we're going to switch the region to footer bottom. And then we're going to save the block. Then finally, we're going to save all of the blocks, and the Superflow code snippet should be added to our site now. If we head back to our Superflow onboarding flow, we can now say, yes, I published my site, and then we can verify the install. And now this will take us to our published site, and we'll get this success message, and we'll have the Superflow toolbar here in the bottom right corner. So now that Superflow is installed, we can do a couple of things. First, we can highlight any text and leave a comment that way. We can draw a box around anything and leave a comment that way. And we can also just hover over any element and leave a comment that way as well. And that is how you install Superflow with Drupal.